What's up, y'all? So I am back with a install for my Shein wig that I got for vacation, and I have been loving this wig, y'all. So I ended up just reapplying it. I washed it for the first time and everything is still good to go. I definitely got so many compliments on vacation, y'all. Everybody was loving the color of this wig, and I was just getting compliments back to back, like from people that you wouldn't even think would be looking at me, okay? So I just feel like it definitely did what it needed to do as far as giving me like that really pretty fall look, and I decided to go ahead and put it back in so I can continue rocking it because that's how beautiful it was. And you know, I'm doing the same hairstyle, you know, middle part with my beautiful bombshell curls. And yeah, we just gonna rock it out like that. Definitely thumbs up for the Shein wig. I was a little skeptical about it because I'm like, baby, really? But it came in the clutch. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and take out these flexi rods so y'all can see what it was giving, okay?
You thought I was feeling you? You thought I was feeling you? You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch.
I got that junkie a blast. I said it don't be mama. Out on the street like the mama. You rats.
Alright, y'all, so this is the final look. I love how it came out, baby. She is definitely serving all of the fall vibes. I got my fall lippy going. Like, y'all tell me what y'all think about this look down below. I'll definitely leave the link down there to this Shein wig. If you guys are interested, you can definitely check it out at your own risk. But they definitely did not let your girl down. I bought this with my own money and I was a little skeptical at first, but she definitely came through, period, okay? So yeah, I feel like the curls came out perfect, exactly how I wanted them, and she's giving bombshell curls, and it's real cute, y'all. Like, I need to go put on some clothes and take some pictures and, you know, get a little gram photo for the girls. I really don't be taking pictures on Instagram, but I feel like I need to get into it. So I might really go down there and, you know, put on a little fit and take some pictures for the gram. So y'all make sure that y'all look out for those photos. But yeah, y'all, I'm about to go ahead and get up out of here. So y'all make sure that y'all go ahead and like the video, as well as comment down below. Let me know if you like this install, this look. And if you haven't subscribed, girl, what the hell are you doing? Go ahead and subscribe and join the Brit Babe gang over here. You don't want to miss it. So make sure that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and show your girl some love. And I will see y'all in the next video.
Fight the demons. I did the digital dash. I put the